Congratulations, you're ready to move to your new place. Guess what? There's certain things in your house you don't need to pack. Toss these items before you move. Old towels and linens. Let's face it, you probably got a lot of old towels laying around that you've been using way longer than you needed to. You're going to a new house, you're gonna want new stuff, so go ahead, toss this stuff and buy some new ones with the new place. Unused appliances. They say the road to hell is paved with good intentions, and let's face it, a lot of people buy a lot of kitchen appliances with the intention of getting back in shape. Do you have a food processor or a juicer that you bought with the intention of getting things going? Haven't really used it? You know what? You're probably not going to even after you make a move, so toss that stuff in the trash and you'll be golden. Unworn clothes. This one I was guilty of myself. I was going through packing up my clothes when we just bought a new house earlier this year, and I found tons of stuff that I hadn't worn in years. Instead of throwing this in the trash, however, go ahead, take this to the Goodwill or some other place where you can donate it. It's a great cause that you can help out other people on anything that you have that's lightly worn. Duplicates and souvenirs. When my wife and I got married, we combined our collection of DVDs, movies, and other things, and you wouldn't believe how many duplicates we had of the same movie. We went through and made sure that we got rid of everything that we had two of. Not only that, there's a ton of souvenirs that we pick up over the years, going to different places that we never even look at after we pick them up and bring them home. If you've got stuff like that, now's a great time to get rid of that as well. Cosmetics and toiletries. Okay, here's another one that we're all probably guilty of, but if you've got cosmetics or toiletries that are already open that have been used, you don't necessarily need to take those to the new place. You're gonna be getting new stuff pretty soon, so toss anything that you have that's been on your shelf for far too long that's probably not any good anymore anyways. Cords and cables. I was shocked to find how many extension cords I had that didn't really work anymore, and how many charging cables I had for phones that don't even exist anymore. If you're going through stuff and you're finding things like this, go ahead and get rid of it because you're probably never gonna need it again. Paperwork. I had a file cabinet full of tons of paperwork that I hadn't touched in years, and I really didn't want to move that thing. Not only is paperwork heavy, but a lot of times you don't even need most of that stuff anymore. Now's a great time to go through and take a look at what's in there to see if there's anything you can get rid of, and you can also go ahead and take the stuff that you still need to keep and get that scanned in so you have a digital copy so you don't have to move that back and forth to other places in the future. Hey, thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. As always, there's a link in the description box to the article where I found this information. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.